Welcome to my crib. Oh, the suburbs are sunny. Come on.
But somewhere I'll go and hide, looking for a new start. Yeah, somewhere I'll go and hide, looking for a new start, for a new start.
So when you first come into the house, you kind of see the gigantic stairway. I really wanted to make sure that the stairs were wood with the white risers. So this right here is called a riser, okay, right here. And I just love the look of white risers with the hardwood floor. And I wanted the entryway to kind of make a statement, which is why it has like a little marbleized texture to it. All right, come on, let's go to the kitchen. Oh wait, before we get to the kitchen, let me show you the dry bar. Okay, so this is a dry bar. It has a beverage center. There's some wine in there. We haven't really stocked up too much. Look at the wine, hold up. But we have some rosé. Okay, and you can't be slamming the doors because it'll jump right back at you. We got some 1942 up in here. Okay.
Better.
Got a little bit of Louis up in here. I've had that for like 2 years. I don't think I'm ever gonna open it. No, I'm gonna open it. We have to open it since, you know, we're in a house now, we gotta open it. That's like, I told myself, I was like, as soon as I buy a house, I'm gonna take a sip of that, so it's time. But right now, I'm gonna open this rosé. Les, you want some?
No.
Okay, I was about to give you any anyway. Welcome to our kitchen. So a couple of my friends have sent me flowers, which is why there's flowers all over the place. And I actually think it looks kind of cute having like flowers back there, like smaller plants. I love fresh flowers. Like I feel like every house, no matter the size, needs fresh flowers. So one of my favorite parts of the house is the kitchen. Come on.
My favorite part too.
Why, you don't cook?
Oh wow, it's not even the case.
You don't cook? So I love the countertops.
So
it's
not
kind of
true.
like a Calcutta, if you will. And actually what we're gonna do is paint the islands black. I think that'll be cool. Like I kind of want the house to have like a black and white kind of look to it. It's very chic, it's very classy, it's very cute. All right, right here we have a microwave. This is a fancy microwave, okay? It opens like this. I'm not used to that. I'm used to the ones you get at Target. Okay.
Right. Push a button.
Right, like I'm like, what is this, the oven? Like, what is this, you know? This is how you know. I'm like, I'm not used to this. So there's nothing really in the refrigerator right now, but eventually it will be stocked. We got a little champagne in there.
Got some drink.
We got some drink. We got,
water.
whose Coronas are those? Not mine, I don't drink beer. Keto.
Yeah, those are mine with a little bit of meal prep.
But I love when refrigerators are super organized. So, I mean, this is pretty organized right now, but you know what I mean? Where it's just like, you're like, wow. Like, they are really organized up in there. I love this stove. I don't think I've ever seen a stove like this where the oven isn't below it, okay?
Heck yeah.
You know what I mean? Like, I'm like, oh wait, it's just a stove top. Ooh, we fancy. That's kind of cute.
The oven over there.
Yeah, then the oven's over there. What's going on? And then we have a pot filler, so you can just put water in there. It's a really cool feature. I wanted the islands to match the backsplash, which is why you see the same theme happening on all islands. And then you can see the backsplash right here. Is that same Calcutta. I just love it. It's really pretty. And we have another beverage center right here.
Oh yeah.
Yes, this one actually lights up when you walk past it, which is cool. This is actually not just a beverage center, it's a wine center.
Wine center.
Yeah, I don't actually ever.
That was funny, sorry.
Is it?
That was.
I don't ever want to leave the house. Like I don't want to go anywhere. I just want to stay here all the time. Okay. What else? Ooh, look here. Come here. So I love organizing. Wait, hold on.
Ooh.
This is a good drawer. Hold on. This one. So look how nice this looks. Just nice and organized. Yes. Is this one? Let me see if I did this one yet. Oh yeah. See. Got these on Amazon. Container store is better because these are the ones I got at the container store are a little better. And then look. Ooh, this is from Amazon too, actually. Look at nice and organized. Yes. Yes. Another feature in the house that I am obsessed with, and I know Les loves too, is a fireplace. Let me show you.
Yeah, that's Johnny's dope.
Look at that. Blue, green, red, lime green. How do you get purple. Purple, yes.
It goes white too.
Oh, no.
One of
Oh,
them.
there it is. Where's blue? Oh, blue. Oh, yeah.
Nice with it.
Yes. Oh. We love it.
All kinds of moves.
We are here for it, okay? We're like really acting brand new right now. Mom, oh, we got this over here. Every day, all day, folks. This is no joke, okay? Look, I take a little break right here. Catch my breath. Think about the 3 miles I should have ran. Oh wait, no, I did run this morning. I'm tired anyway, okay? But that's where you take a break, okay, right there. So as soon as I get up the steps, take, a second to catch my breath.
Man, I be feeling that junk in my calves.
Feel it in my calves. My calves are tight. If you guys notice an enlargement in my calves in about a month, trust me, I didn't get anything done. It's just the workout. It's going up and down the stairs.
Getting ripped.
All right, now we're in the master bathroom. This is the sink. We are gonna do the same thing up here that we did downstairs with the black. So we're gonna paint this black. I just love the look of black and white, and I like all white, like don't get me wrong, but it's like a little too much. I'm like, we need to mix it up, we need to make it chic, and we just need to have fun with this house. So in the master bathroom, we have a tub and a stand-up, wait, what is it called? Standalone shower?
Stand-in?
Stand-in shower? I don't know. So in the master bath, we have a tub, and then we have a stand-up shower that fits like 15 people. I promise it fits a lot of people. I'm used to being cramped. So all of this is just like, I feel like it's a little unreal, like I'm not used to, I don't want to say I'm not used to having nice things, but I'm not used to, not used to this. All right, so this is a shower. It is massive, and you can see it matches the floors. I was gonna try and be cute and take everything out, like how all the YouTube videos you see is like, oh, it's cute, but I was like, this is real life. Okay, we moved in, our stuff is in the shower, okay? All right, so this is the moment everyone has been waiting for, the closet. Come on in. Psych. Okay, it's a mess. It's a hot mess in there. We are not going in there, okay? All right, guys, come on. Time for you to go. Come on. Next time you guys come, there's gonna be paint. There's gonna be paintings. It's gonna be fabulous. There's gonna be furniture. Well, I hope so anyways. All right, get out of here. Come on, time to go. Time to go.